Body slam. Body slam.
Wow.
Body slam. Not again. Oh. No more.
He's gonna get you where it really hurts, Daddy.
The nutcracker. Oh. Oh. I feel the second wind coming on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you the camel clutch.
Camel clutch. You can't get baby in the camel clutch.
Ah, WWF. Rowdy Piper. Ah.
Because it's so realistic.
Okay, I'm gonna get you now. Ready? You scared?
Yeah, I'm ready. He's like, yeah, I'm ready.
You gonna get you back now? You ready for me to get you back? Do some of this.
He's ready. Look at that.
Camel clutch. Oh no, not the camel clutch. Here, in here. Oh, I got you the camel clutch.
Oh, Daddy. Where are you going? Where are you going?
You scared? You scared? Give me, I dare ya. You got my folding chair. Oh,
Folding chair.
Got the beard.
What is he doing?
He's pulling a beard.
You have a beard.
You Hulk Hogan? You Hulk Hogan, Everett? Are you Rocky? On the box? On the box now? Come on, let's box. Come on. Box now. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's a bite under the leg. Body sound the birth out of me, Everett. Let's box. Got your boxing gloves on?
Do you want to wrestle the TV now? Is that what you're trying to do, silly?
Get mommy. Yeah.
Hey! I'm trying to do a video here.
Where are you going?
Everett.
This box. Come here, Everett.
Everett, where are you going?
This box. Box mommy.
What are you doing?
No cameras. Come on, Everett.
You got them all riled up, Daddy.
Everett. This box, baby. This box. Box me. Come on, box me. Come on. Box me. Come on.
Everett.
You gonna get backup? Going for backup? Get mommy.
Ooh, the dog's getting in on it.
Oh, no, dog's got me.
on! Where are you going?
You better run now. Yeah.
Aw, doggy. Aw.
You didn't know dogs could be so vicious, did you?
Where are you going?
You know Eric could be so vicious. Boxing good. Are you down for the count? He's down for the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get up, Everett. 5, 6. Get up. Get up. 7, 8. Hurry, get up. Get up. You can do it. 9. Get up. Oh, he's back in the ring. Ba, ba, ba.
See, he's doing it too.
Yeah. You gonna get your son involved? Son's involved now? What's he gonna do? Yeah!